Hey, listen, you can't do it. It's impossible. I know a friend who didn't achieve that. Look at you. You are not even worthy of that. Have you heard it somewhere? Has someone told you this recently? Do you believe such things? If so, then it's perfect that you have clicked on this video. Today, I will break a very common misconception regarding this impossible and you can't do it stuff. So, listen to me with open ears. There is a boy named X who is not so healthy. He is overweight, and he starts panting after climbing a few stairs. He goes on a vacation to a hill station with his friends. He went for trekking, and he was full of himself. After taking a few steps, he starts yelling that it is impossible and no one can do it in a single day. Among his group of friends, some stopped there with him, while on the other hand, some other friends listened to a local boy, P, who goes to the mountaintop daily to fetch some fruit. The other group of friends started panting on the journey, but stopped there, took some rest, and moved forward and reached the top of the mountain. They enjoyed the view and learnt a very valuable lesson from this incident, while the other group was complaining and making fun of how the other group would fail. The valuable lesson learnt was that it was impossible for the overweight guy. It was impossible for him but not the others. Every day, you meet boys like X who only say what they know they can't do. They impose their limitations upon you. It is always like that. If you hear someone say that you can't do it, it does not matter. What matters is what you choose to obey, what you choose to follow, what you choose for yourself. The ones who followed the local boy P learned that things will get rocky, but what matters is to remain faithful to what you choose. Similarly, boy X is your old concept of yourself, who will point out all the things that are limitations to you. And on the other hand, boy P is your new concept of self, who you are meeting for the first time. But if you remain faithful, you will embody that concept and make things manifest in this materialistic world. Everything is possible if you choose it to be, as everything was first imagined. No one knows when and how it will take place, but surely it will. The device from which you are watching this video seemed impossible to your great-grandparents. But here you are lying on the bed, watching your favorite videos, buying stuff, communicating with a friend from a different nation. Don't lose hope. Just persist. Self-assurance is the key to manifestation. There is no one to change but you. You change yourself when you say that your desired reality is possible, and you get evidence for it. Don't let other people's doubts and their mentality hinder your progress, because they will change. So, if you found this video helpful, do subscribe for more such videos. Happy manifesting!